This is why you should care about the oil and gas market. So here we have light crude oil futures. You could think of crude oil as diesel. And so right here, we could see last year, December 21, through last year, absolutely ripped. And then the invasion of Ukraine sent us sky high. Yes, we rebounded some and then continued to move higher before our move down to where we're at now. And I'm going to pull up the weekly time frame to give a little bit more context how high we are. I mean, this is just, you can go back 2014. Let's see. The highest we were back in 08. So it hasn't been that high since then. And so we're coming back down. And so you could see this MACD here is starting to roll over. It's possible that we could see lower fuel prices in the future. Again, I think you can think of light crude oil as diesel. So think about semi-trucks, think about heavy machinery, anything it takes to really move goods places. And then the next one we can look at is gasoline futures. And you can see this is going to be the U.S. Energy Information Administration. This is going to be slightly delayed from what we actually see in the market. So they're called futures for a reason. They're ahead of the game. And so you can see we started scaling back. February is our first big jump to March. But then we keep going all the way to 4.9, and then we slowly come down to where we're at now. Now, if you watched the gas and oil market, then you could have known we might rebound here, because you can look back at the previous places that we've had a resistance or a support, and you would know. So right now we're in this sort of triangle formation. The MACD is rolling over both on the daily and the weekly, as I'm going to show you here. It looks like we're ready for more downside. So this is good news for anyone in oil or gas markets where they need transportation, or really just for me and you who pay at the pump. I hope this is helpful as you think about oil and gas in your own life and how fuel prices have affected you and your family.